guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, scammers never stop, do they? They don't. And they always try to find out new and innovative ideas to deceive innocent people. So it's very important for us to stay updated and be careful about what we are doing, because all any activity that we should not be doing could lead to some disastrous results. For example, I got this text: Bell at Mobility client, Bell client, and my phone number was there. Hello, you can now submit your end of year 2% yearly repair claim for this amount. So the amount is not too huge. Submit Y to confirm. First of all, I'm not with Bell at all. So the moment I got this message, I knew it was scam. But imagine those who don't know and those who are with Bell if they get this kind of text. So this is not how Bell communicates with you, right? On text or something. So if you get a message like this, and if you are not able to figure it out, just don't immediately respond. If you are not able to figure it out, speak to others. Speak to your friends, family members. Try to find out what they say. Maybe they can guide you something good. And if you still do not find any appropriate answer, and if you still have any doubt over legitimacy or over the duplicacy or any issue you have on the message, simple point is contact the customer care. Like if you are using the Bell phone, you know the customer care number. Give a call to Bell and say, hey, I have got this text message, have you sent it? If they say no, it's a scam, just don't go for it. And because this time it was like responding why, there could be messages that appear with links. So if you click on that link, you don't know what's going to happen. It may steal your information, it may download something on your device that you don't want. So be careful guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.